Hi Reception! Thanks for joining me today for our maths video. Now today in maths we're going to be exploring the word doubling and what it means to double a number. So for this lesson what you're going to need is a dinosaur if you've got one, or a teddy if you've got one. And then you're also going to need something that you can double. So I've sent you some Numicon paper shapes. So I've got my Numicon here, but I've sent you some paper Numicon shapes. Now you can either print those out, you'll need to do it twice so that you have two of each one. If you can't print them out, that's okay. You can get them up on the screen and you could try to draw them yourself. If that's going to be difficult, that's fine. You can get anything that you could double. So that could be bits of pasta, that could be some fruit, anything that you can double. So you can pause the video now and you and your helper can go and get the things that you need and come back when you're ready. Hello. So, like we said, me and Rex here are going to teach you how to double a number. So we're going to learn how to double numbers up to 10. So that is really, really hard. You've got to click your brains into gear now. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use objects to double a number to 10. You might even be starting to learn what those doubles are without using your objects. Wow. But first of all, we are going to do a quick remember to see if we can remember what our one less is. We're going to do one less. So I'm going to say a number and you're going to tell me what one less than that number is. Are you ready? Okay. Let's see. One less than the number. You ready? I'm going to write it. One less than the number 15 is... It's 14. That's right. Well done. Let's see. One less than the number. What am I going to write? One less than the number 12. What's it going to be? Is 11. Good job. And then one more. Right. One less than the number. What am I going to write? What's that number? That's right. It's 19. So one less than the number 19 is, let's see, what do you think it is? It's 18! Superstars! Well done, Reception! So now we are going to start looking at how we double a number. Are you ready? So first of all, I'm going to tell you what doubling means. I'm going to write the word down so that you can see it. Here it is. D-a-b-l-i-n-g. I'm going to show you now what our word looks like. Here it is. Here's our word doubling. So, the word doubling means that you have something twice as many. So you have one thing. I've got my number one Numicon. Then we have twice as many or the same amount again. So there I've doubled my number one Numicon piece. I've got another one that's the same. So we can see straight away that double one is 2. Super. And we know that really, really, really well. I'm going to turn us back round again. So we can see that double 1 is 2. So remember, doubling means twice as many or the same amount again. Then we find out how many there are altogether. So let's have a little look at some of our bigger numbers. And I've got all of my Numicon pieces right here. So I'm going to swap us around again. So here, if we have, I've got a number 3 Numicon. So if I'm going to double that, that means that I need to get the same amount again. I need to get twice as many. So I need to get another, let's have a little look. Oh, there it is. I'm going to get another 3 Numicon. And then what I'm going to do is find out how many that is in total. So I know I've got 3 here because we've just said that. So I'm going to use my skill that we've already learned of counting on. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that double 3 is 6. Fantastic. Now we're going to do one more. You're going to watch me do one more, and I'm going to get a number 4. There we go. So we know we've supertised that is 4. And if I'm going to double it, I know that what I need to do is to get the same amount again, to get it twice as many. So I'm going to come back over to my Numicon. I'm going to have a little look. Oh, which one is it? Where is it? Oh, I can see it. There it is. It's the same again. So I'm going to pop it there, and I can see that I've got the same amount again. So I've got 4 here. So I'm going to count on to find out how many we've got all together. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that double 4 is 8. Fantastic. This time, you're going to do it with me. So what you need to do is either get your Numicon pieces ready or get anything that you're going to use. So that could be, like we said, bits of pasta, or it could be some cars, anything that you've got. It could be Lego. Lego would be a really good thing. Or balls of Play-Doh, anything like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to go a little bit harder, and we're going to go for 5. So, oh, there it is. So I'm going to get my 5 Numicon. So either get your 5 paper Numicon or get 5 objects on one side. There we go. So we know that is 5. Now, if I want to double 5, oh, what do I need? Could I get 6? No. Why can't I get 6? Oh, look, Rex is here. Rex wants to tell us. Rex, why can't we get 6?
Because 6 isn't the same amount. It wouldn't be twice as many because this one is 5.
Oh, of course, Rex. Thank you. So we need to get the same amount again. So I'd like you to see if you can get the same amount again. And I'm going to have a little look as well. You can help me if you want to. No, that doesn't look like the same amount again. I'm going to bring it with me so we can check. Oh, there it is. It's the red one. I'm going to get the same amount again. Fantastic. Here we go. So you should now have either your 5 Numicon piece or 5 objects, and you're going to get the same amount again because we're doing twice as many. What do we need to do now? Oh, Rex, have you got any ideas? Oh, what are you showing us? Ah, fantastic. We need to count them to see what double 5 is. Now, we know that this one is 5 because we've already said it. So we don't need to count that one again. We can count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So double 5 is 10. Now, I'd like you to have a little go at doing that yourself. Have a practice. Remember, we're practicing counting on as well. We learnt that skill a couple of weeks ago, and we're going to practice using that skill now. So you can pause the video now and have a practice at finding double 5. Brilliant. So we're going to do one more together, and then you're going to have a go on your own. We're going to do it a little bit harder because we said we're doing doubling numbers up to 10. So we're going to now get, what's this one? That's right, that's 6. We can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 there. Now I'd like you to get your 6 Numicon piece, or you can get your 6 objects. Fantastic. Now what do we need to do? Let's have a check. Could I get this one? Could I put that one there? Oh, no. Why can't I put that one there? Yeah, that's right. Because that isn't the same amount again. That's not twice as many. That's more than twice as many. So we can't use that one. Can I use this one? Could I use that one? No, I can't use that one either because it's not twice as many. It's a little bit less, isn't it? So we can't use that one. So let me see, which one could I use? Oh, there it is. So I'd like you to find your same amount as well. I want you to get 6. So we've got a 6 and a 6. We've got twice as many. Fantastic. And now we're going to, what do we need to do? Can you remember to find how many double 6s? That's right, we need to count them. So do we need to count all these again? No, that's right, we don't need to do that because we've already counted that. We know that that is 6. Fabulous. So we're going to count on. Wonderful. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fantastic. And you can have a go at doing that yourself. So we know that double 6 is 12. Fantastic. Now I'm going to turn the video around. Hello, I'm back again. So you have just helped me to double lots of numbers up to 10. And the last one we did was double 6. So I'd like you to pause the video and have a little go at doing double 7. So you can either get your 7 Numicon piece, here it is, or you can get 7 objects and then you need to get the same amount again or twice as many again, and see if you can remember our steps. So remember, first of all, we have to get the same amount again, and then we have to count them. And even better if you can try and count on using that skill that we've already learned. And when you've done that, your activity is going to be I've sent you through some Numicon doubling sheets. Now the first sheet is about doubling the numbers up to 5. And then if you want an extra challenge, you can do the next one, which is doubling numbers up to 10. Okay, reception, well done. Remember to send in your work. Bye from me and Rex. See you soon.